It's time for beautiful farmhouse patriotic DIYs. Hello my darlings, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. Today, for less than $25, we're gonna create a beautiful home patriotic decor. I am C and this is CJ DIY. DIY number 1, we're gonna make this beautiful Home USA sign. I'm using one of the round canvas. I purchased those canvas set from Five Below, so they come as a 2, and I'm gonna use one of them. I'm just gonna remove the canvas material because I just need the frame from this canvas. Now when my round frame is clean, we're gonna use this weaving reed that I got from Amazon long time ago. Those are reeds that they can be used in a basket, and with the help of a staple gun, I'm gonna make a pattern to look like a tobacco basket. So first I'm adding these reeds vertically, and then we're gonna go and do horizontally. Now for horizontally, we're just gonna weaving through the other reeds just like that, and just creating a pattern, and we are almost done with these reeds. Now when it's all done, to cover those cutouts on the round frame, I'm gonna add this patriotic burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. I cut out 4 little pieces and I'm just gluing them on each cutout, and it's gonna be covered and it's gonna look super cute. Next, I'm using these leather tiles from Dollar Tree, and I'm trying to find word USA. I couldn't find them in the same color, so they're all mixed colors. And I'm using this home wooden cutout also from Dollar Tree. I'm painting it with a white chalk paint, and I'm gonna put it in the middle of my sign. I'm also distressing my frame with the left out white paint that I had on my brush, and I'm just removing it with a wipe just to get that rustic farmhouse look, and my Home USA sign is done. Look how cute. Today I'm so happy that I'm a part of 5 Under 5 challenge hosted by my amazing darling beautiful friends Emily and Missi. Emily from Farm Charm Chic and Missi from Crafty Cove DIY. They're hosting this beautiful monthly challenge every month to create 5 Under 5 DIYs, and guest host this month is Tammie from the Rusted Willow. All amazing friends, super talented creators. All their links are in my description box, and of course nothing without the magical playlist with so many amazing beautiful creators, all of them my darling friends. So after you're done watching my video, you know where you're going next. With that being said, we are jumping into DIY number 2. We are creating this super easy sign. I got this plaque from Dollar Tree, rusted plaque, and I'm using Martha Stewart letters that is gonna say brave. I'm just layering the letters. Make sure they're all straight, and I'm gonna paint them with a nautical chalk paint with a brush. Super simple stencil sign. Anybody can do it, and it's gonna look super high-end farmhouse look. Next, we are making a beautiful USA bow. Those burlap ribbons are from Dollar Tree. I love them, but they are not having a wire and it's so hard to make a bow. So I'm just making a simple bow, 2 loops and tails, tying it with a twine in the middle, and that's it. Super simple awareness bow. I'm gluing it on the bottom of my sign. On top of the star, I'm adding some jute twine, couple of rounds, just to get that rustic farmhouse look, and my brave sign is done. For DIY number 3, we're making these super easy signs from calendars. I'm using 3 signs from Dollar Tree. I love these summer decorations, but we're just gonna use them for patriotic signs. I'm removing the papers. Those were super easy to take them off, and I just cut off a couple of pages from my Dollar Tree calendars and another calendar that I had with trucks. And I'm just adding a Mod Podge, and I'm just gonna add them on my flags. And we're gonna have some beautiful, patriotic, super easy made signs. I'm using my decoupage roller. Make sure it's all nice and smooth. There is no air bubbles coming out. And I'm gonna Mod Podge it on top. And everybody can do this. This is so super easy, and it's gonna look so high-end. I'm adding the pieces for the frame back, gluing them back on my sign. And that's about it. Look how cute and farmhouse it looks. Gotta let me know if you're gonna try these for your home decorations for this year. Doing the same step on my second sign. Mod Podging on top. And my third sign, this beautiful calendar page that I have from one of my calendars. This one was a little bit larger, but not a problem. I'm just gonna cut off the edges. Since the sheet was more thicker, I didn't need to add some Mod Podge, so I just added some glue on the edges. Add the frame back, and that's it. And look how beautiful. For DIY number 4, super simple. I love those 2 jars from Dollar Tree. I love how they did them with the twine. All I did is I just cut out one of those patriotic ribbons that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just covered the edges on top of my vases. I added some greeneries and one of those ruffle patriotic flowers inside, and that's it. Super simple farmhouse centerpiece look. And for my last DIY, I'm just making a simple wreath, and I'm adding one of those wooden wreaths from Dollar Tree, adding some greeneries. I don't even need to add some glue in it. I'm just going through those wreaths around it. Super simple. Adding a couple of those ruffle patriotic flowers, and we're just making a simple farmhouse rustic patriotic wreath. I have also added some little pieces of greenery just to get that little extra details. And now when it's all done, I'm just making 2 loops of this star burlap, also from Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna put them together. I'm gonna tie them with a twine. And we're gonna add some tails, and that's it. I'm also adding a 1 rustic star, also from Dollar Tree, in the middle of my wreath. And you're gonna see how cute it's gonna look. Everybody can do it. I hope I gave you lots of inspirations today for you to create something beautiful and not very expensive, and it's gonna look very high-end. So now when my bow is done, I'm tying it on the bottom of my wreath with a twine. And here how it look with that rustic star in the middle. It came out just perfect for my door, and it's still standing in there, and it's gonna stand all the way until 4th of July. I am really loving how it came out. Give me your thoughts. And before I let you go to finish watching my final reveal, don't forget to check out the amazing playlist with so many talented creator friends. Don't forget to check out my amazing Emily from Farm Charm Chic, Missi from Crafty Cove, and Tammie from the Rusted Willow. Thank you so much for having me to another amazing month. And until next time, my darlings, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.